Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to turn off notifications. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Evernote, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. To turn off notifications here in Evernote, especially if you're using your mobile device, your options kind of limited. Because for one, if you're using an iOS, for an iPhone or iPad, or using the Android, the first thing that you need to do is go to the upper left corner of your profile icon. Alright, so the first is, you see there is like a three dot section here. If you click on it, you want to make sure you do not put the add note to the device home screen, because if you do, there's a big chances of you getting more notifications in this device, which you don't want, right? Because you don't want it to turn off the notifications. Now again, after getting that option, go to the upper left corner wherein you can click the notifications. All right, and you see you're all set. We'll keep you updated on any future notifications. You would notice if you click the three dots icon, you don't have any much choice but to just click the mark as all read. All right, you don't have any options to cancel the notification apps. But instead, another thing that you can explore is go to the settings of your mobile device. From here, go to the app management and then go to app list. Then I want you to click the Evernote. There is like a arrow here. You see, the notification should be turned off. This is the only way. As you can see, these are going to be some of the things that is on the default once you have installed and give permission to Evernote. And again, depending on the mobile device that you're using, or an iOS or an Android, just click the allow notification here. It's kind of easy. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We will see you again in the next one.